Hello guys, this is me Arbab and welcome to TeXperts channel, the technology experts. In this short video, we are going to take backup and update the operating system of Siemens SIMATIC HMI KTP1200 model. Let's get started by opening the Siemens TI portal, any version. I have version 15.1. Here create a new project and give it a name. I am giving it HMI Upload and click on Create button. Now click on Project View. Click on Online tab, then Accessible Devices. Then we need to select the PNIE interface type. Then select the TCP/IP Ethernet connection as an interface. Which we can find the exact name from Network Connections Properties. Then click on Search button. Here the whole network will be searched for the accessible devices. We found out the connected HMI with the device name 1_24 and the IP address mentioned and some other important parameters for differentiation. Click on Show button. Now here you can see the accessible device in the online access group in the navigation section. You can also update this group to see the list of connected devices. After that, go to Online tab, then HMI Device Maintenance and then click on Backup. Check out the necessary parameters and then click on Search button. Then select the device from which you want to take the backup and click on Create button. SIMATIC ProSave pop-up windows will open. Here we will select the Complete Backup option and give the backup location and file name to be saved. Then click Start Backup button to start the backup process. The backup process will start and will take a little time depending on the project's file size. That's it. The project has been backed up successfully. Now, for updating the operating system of the SIMATIC HMI, go to HMI Device Maintenance and then Update Operating System option. Select the required interfacing parameters and click on Start Search button. Then select the desired HMI from the list and click on the Update button. After that, select the downloaded latest firmware and click on Update Operating System or Update OS button to update the operating system or firmware of the HMI. The warning informs about the data loss from the HMI memory. Click on Yes. The updating process will be started, which you can see on the HMI display. It will take a little time. Wait for it and don't turn off the HMI during this process. After the completion of this process, the HMI will be rebooted automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.